How do you stay creative?
Exploring new places inspires me.
Do you like writing stories?
Sometimes, I enjoy writing short stories.
Have you published any work?
Not yet, but I'm working on it.
Do you read blogs or articles?
Yes, I read tech blogs regularly.
What's your favorite website?
I like reading on medium.com.
Do you watch YouTube often?
Yes, I watch tutorials and vlogs.
What's your favorite YouTuber?
I enjoy watching Casey Neistat.
Do you create your own videos?
Not yet, but I want to try.
What topics interest you the most?
Technology and travel are my interests.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Yes, I listen during commutes.
What's your favorite podcast?
I like The Daily by NY Times.
Do you enjoy live theater?
Yes, I attend plays occasionally.
What's the last play you saw?
I saw Hamilton last month.
Did you enjoy the performance?
Yes, it was spectacular and engaging.
Do you like musicals?
Yes, they're very entertaining.
Have you ever acted in a play?
No, but I'm interested in trying.
Do you follow any sports teams?
Yes, I'm a Chicago Bulls fan.
How long have you been a fan?
Since I was a kid.
Do you watch games live?
Yes, whenever possible.
What's your favorite game memory?
Watching a buzzer beater shot last year.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play occasionally.
What's your favorite video game?
I love playing FIFA soccer.
Do you prefer console or PC?
I prefer playing on console.
Have you tried virtual reality games?
Not yet, but interested in trying.
Do you enjoy board games?
Yes, especially strategy games.
What's your favorite board game?
I like playing Settlers of Catan.
Do you travel often?
Yes, I love to explore places.
What's your next travel destination?
I'm planning to visit Japan.
Have you been to Europe before?
Yes, I visited Germany and France.
Do you prefer cities or nature?
I enjoy both, depending on mood.
What's your favorite city you've visited?
New York City is my favorite.
Do you use public transportation?
Yes, it's convenient in the city.
How often do you travel by train?
Occasionally, when visiting nearby towns.
Do you like road trips?
Yes, they're fun and flexible.
What's the longest road trip you've taken?
I drove across California once.
Do you rent cars when traveling?
Yes, usually for flexibility.
Do you use maps or GPS?
I prefer using GPS nowadays.
Have you ever gotten lost?
Yes, but GPS helped me.
Do you enjoy sightseeing?
Yes, I love visiting landmarks.
What's the most famous landmark you've seen?
The Statue of Liberty in NYC.
Do you collect souvenirs?
Yes, I collect postcards.
What's your favorite souvenir?
A postcard from every place I visit.
Do you keep a travel journal?
Yes, I write about my trips.
How do you plan your trips?
I research online and make lists.
Do you book hotels in advance?
Yes, to ensure availability.
What's your favorite type of accommodation?
I like boutique hotels best.
Do you prefer staying in cities?
Sometimes, depending on the trip.
Have you ever stayed in a hostel?
Yes, when traveling on a budget.
Do you travel alone or with friends?
Mostly with friends or family.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love tasting local cuisine.
What's the strangest food you've eaten?
I tried escargot in France.
Did you enjoy eating it?
It was interesting, not bad.
Do you prefer sweet or savory?
I enjoy both equally.
What's your favorite snack?
I like potato chips best.
Do you drink alcohol?
Occasionally, with meals or friends.
What's your favorite drink?
I enjoy a good glass of wine.
Do you like craft beers?
Yes, I try different varieties.
Have you visited any breweries?
Yes, I went to a local one.
Did you like the beer there?
Yes, they had great flavors.
Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Yes, especially hiking and biking.
What's your favorite outdoor spot?
I love Central Park in NYC.
Do you go jogging daily?
Yes, every morning before work.
Do you bike to work?
Sometimes, if the weather's nice.
Have you ever run a marathon?
Not yet, but planning to try.
Do you have any fitness goals?
Yes, to stay healthy and active.
Do you use fitness apps?
Yes, to track my workouts.
What's your favorite app to use?
I like using Strava for running.
Do you follow a diet plan?
I eat balanced meals mostly.
Do you take any supplements?
Occasionally, vitamins for health.
Do you visit a doctor regularly?
Yes, for annual checkups.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I'm fortunate enough.
How do you stay healthy?
Eating well and exercising regularly.
Do you get enough sleep?
Yes, about 8 hours nightly.
Do you have a bedtime routine?
Yes, reading before sleep.
Do you use any sleep aids?
No, I sleep naturally.